Buckle up for a truly exceptional student housing experience in the bustling city of London. Introducing Stukeley Street Collection, an exceptional heaven promising to stay a lifetime. Nestled in Stukeley Street, this stunning abode presents a range of newly refurbished luxury one-bed and two-bed split-level apartments tailored to suit your preferences. Each cozy room unveils a plush bed adorned with 5-star hotel-quality bedding, exquisite wooden flooring, and ample storage space. Step into tiled bathrooms with delightful finishes, turning your daily routine into a spa-like affair, and explore the art of culinary delight in bespoke kitchens with high-spec appliances, transforming every meal into a gourmet experience. But wait, there's more. Binge watch your favorite series on the smart TV, or burn the midnight oil in dedicated study spaces with free high-speed Wi-Fi. And for all the caffeine enthusiasts out there, an espresso machine awaits to satisfy your never-ending cravings. When it's time to hit the books, LSE, King's College, and UCL are all within a leisurely stroll from the front door. On weekends, let loose at the top-secret comedy club or explore the delectable dining scene in the neighborhood for a hearty meal with friends. Plus, you're just a 4-minute walk away from Holborn Underground Station, making this apartment an incredible hub to explore and live in the UK's capital city. Ready to experience the zenith of opulence? If yes, head over to amberstudent.com and secure your ideal stay at Stukeley Street Collection.